What's he doing, Kev? What's Preston doing? Preston, say hi, baby Kevin. Say hi, baby Kevin.
Hi, Kevin.
I think somebody wants to hang out with his cousin. Do you want to hang out with Preston on the other side? Oh, he loves you. Look at that, Preston. Look at him the way he looks at you.
What the heck?
Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Yum.
Kevin, do you want to play with the iPhone too? Or the iPod?